Welcome to RJ Link International. Today we want to discuss our contract design and gear manufacturing capabilities and so much more. So let's get started. In today's market of contract gear manufacturers, there are a host to choose from, and they are all excellent suppliers. But are they gear designers? Do they know the design parameters to maximize the performance of the gear, or can they just make it to your print? It is not enough to have state-of-the-art equipment to manufacture and inspect the gears you make. You need that something more to make the gear better. RJ Link has hobbing machines, broaches, shapers, but there is so much more to what RJ Link can offer. We have over 30 years of gear design experience. Spur, helical, worm, bevels, hypoids, herringbone, and many more. And we have state-of-the-art design software to confirm that the gear will meet your design and performance requirements. The RJ Link engineering team can assist you in vibration analysis, noise reduction, gear life, and a host of other performance characteristics. Tell us what you need improved. We can determine the best options available through design and manufacturing process improvements. The list shown is just a sample of what we can do for you from a manufacturing capability standpoint, along with our design expertise. It's now time to wrap this up. Thank you, and we look forward to working with you on any of your gearing needs.